Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is Pramod. In this video, I will explain what is the wireless protocols and what are the different types of wireless protocols. In wireless protocol topic, you will receive one or two questions in actual exam. Also, you will receive one or two simulation type of questions in actual exam. So let's go to the first slide. So topics in this model is what is the wireless protocols and what is the wireless authentications. So Wi-Fi began back in 1919 and Apple called it a port defined by the 802.1 set of standards for 2.5 and 5 GHz frequency bands, requires secure protocols for authentications and encryptions. So both communicators must use same protocol. Organizations typically have a WAP, wireless access point, communicating with computers, tablets and phones. So wireless connections without a WAP are called ad hoc. Ad hoc wireless is based for occasional informal connections, much like Bluetooth. So as you can see the picture, this is a client wireless hardware plug-in mini circuit board used in laptop, expansion slot card used in desktop, or USB adapter used any laptop or desktop. And as you can see in the picture, this is the server wireless hardware. As you can see in the picture, this is a WAP and this is a wireless repeater, and this is the combination of WAP and router. So what is the wireless protocol timeline? So WP, part of 802.1 standards, introduced in 1997. WPA, this is the interim solutions, introduced in 2003. WPA2 introduced in 2004. This is a part of 802.11i standards. And WPA3 introduced in 2018, even better security. So let's check each and every protocols. So first one is a wired equivalent privacy, WEP. So WPP is introduced in 1997, part of 802.1 standards. Use a steam cipher called RC4, major weakness exposed in 2001. WP keys could be cracked in 1 hour. Key had either 64 or 128 bits. So let's check the next wireless protocol. So next one is a Wi-Fi protected access, WPA. This is introduced in 2003. This is an interim solutions, more secure than WEP, encryption via TKIP, temporal key integrity protocol. New 128-bit key for each packet, but same underlying technology as WEP RC4. So not considered secure anymore. So let's check the next wireless protocol. So Wi-Fi protected access to WPA2 introduced in 2004. This is 802.1i standards. More secure than WPA, but require changes to WAP firmware. Encryption via AES, advanced encryption standards. Actually a variant called CCMP. Required CIS 2006 for certified devices. P-shared key, PSK, still a vulnerability. Using WPA2 is not a guarantee of a secure wireless networks. Strong password can help foil intruders and prevent MITAM attacks. So this is the third last wireless access protocol, Wi-Fi protected access, the WPA3. This is more secure, even better security, introduced in 2018. Better password authentication, even with the relatively simple passwords, simultaneous authentication of equals, forward secrecy, post communication sessions are protected against future key hacks, enterprise version offer 192-bit mode. So let's check how to setting the Wi-Fi protocol on iPad. Is like on the iPad, go to the general, go to the other network and select WPA2, WPA3. So let's check how to changing the Wi-Fi protocol in Windows 10. So go to the Wi-Fi status, go to the wireless properties, go to the security type is a WPA2 personal, encryption type is an AES, and the security key. So let's check how to setting the Wi-Fi protocol on wireless routers. As you know, the three options, WPA2 PSK, TKIP AES, WPA2 PSK AES recommended, open risky. So out of three options, the recommendation security mode is WPA2 PSK AES, as this mode gives best Wi-Fi performance and optimum security. So let's check what is the WPS? So WPS is a Wi-Fi protected setup, a bit different from the other protocols, makes it easier maybe for users, creating Wi-Fi links, push buttons on device and WAP within X minute to synchronize the link, or use the 8-digit pin printed on the map. So let's show the next slide. So guess the pin and you get the WPA2 pre-shared key. Secure best practices, turn off WPS if you can, or update the firmware and change the pin. So let's check the wireless authentications. What is the wireless authentications? What are the methods? So wireless authentication is very important in wireless networking. There are two basic methods. One is a personal and second one is enterprise. So WPA2 or 3 can be used in personal mode, so are small businesses, or enterprise mode with a radius server, medium to large company. So what is the radius? So radius is a remote access dial in user service, a client server protocol for authenticating, authorizing and accounting for remote access users. Microsoft implements radius via NPS, Network Policy Server. Radius has nothing to do with the circles. So what are the radius servers, radius clients and proxies? So radius server, a centralized clearinghouse for authentication, authorizations and accounting. What is a radius client? A remote access server that uses the services of a radius server. What is a radius proxy? A radius server that forward addresses, request messages to the radius servers. If NPS processes radius request itself, it's a radius server. If NPS forward radius request, it's a radius proxy. So when to use a radius proxy? A large number of connection requests need a load balancing, contract service provider, many customers, multi-forest or multi-domain environment need to forward requests to appropriate forest or domain. So what is the network access server? So any devices that respond to a supplicant requesting network access. For example, a NAS could be a Windows VPN server, a WAP and radius gateway, or an 802.1x switch. So radius client equal to NAS, remote access client equal to remote user. So why not just set a policy in the RAS? So you have many remote access servers, easier to manage rules in a single location, easier configuration of new RAS devices, centralized accounting. A single radius server can have multiple radius clients. As you can see in the picture, this is a radius server and this is our multiple clients. So basics of radius configurations. So firewall rules, UDP ports 1645, 1646, 1812, 1813 or alternatives. NPS and RAS must be used same ports. Communication requires a shared secret, for example a password. Must configure radius servers and clients. So what is the TechX? Cisco protocol similar to TechX. TechX Plus uses TCP instead of UDP and more encryptions. So Radius introduced Microsoft and Cisco is introduced in TechX. So you have completed this module. So study hard, good luck and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel to see more video like this. I will upload next part shortly. Thanks for watching. Thank you.